everyone, this is Momin Rahim, the student of SS English Academy in front of you. Today SS English Academy completed 7 years, and on this beautiful occasion I would like to speak something about my classes. Well, I joined SS English Academy just before 1 month, and I can say that I got a lot of improvement from these classes. My sir name is Sam sir. He is a motivational speaker and he makes us perform different activities. Every Friday we present a speech, and after 1 month we get a monthly report card where you can see your progress. After joining SS English Academy, my confidence level is also increased, and now I can speak fearlessly without any hesitation in front of everyone. Every Saturday we play some games which also help us to improve our English. So I can say that SS English Academy is best for learning English. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. This is Sheikh Mariam Shakil and I am a student of SS English Academy. The SS English Academy is in one of the most popular academy in Bhiwandi. And sir, I would like to tell some sentence about SS English Academy in politeness words. So, sir, you have made me a positive, different thought person in my life. You saw something in me. Your positivity, your encouragement are brighten my days. And sir, you inspired me to begin this new chapter in my life. I couldn't done it without you. So thank you, sir, for your kind support.
This is Umar Mehman and I am the student of SS English Academy. And today I am feeling very proud to be the part of SS English Academy. If I talk about my English, so I was too weak in English and I didn't have confidence and I used to commit so many mistakes. But after joining SS English Academy, I improved a lot, and so many things, so many special things I got from these classes. And seriously, SS English Academy is very best classes for learning English, because we have the best teacher for teaching English. And whatever improvement I got today, just because of Science sir. So all credit goes to him. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Khan Nahid from SS Academy, and today we are gathered here for celebrating 7th anniversary of SS Academy. SS Academy is the great academy for learning English. As we all know, English is very crucial language for us, and in school they only teach us how to write, not they teach us how to speak. But here you can learn how to speak English with fluently, and thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, this is Khan Fahad Niyaz Ahmed. I am the student of SS Academy. SS Academy is the best academy for learning English in whole Bhiwandi. If you are passionate to speak English, then you have to must come here, because here students speak English with very confidence and they are also learn so many things. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Sheikh Sania, the students of SS English Academy. I was very weak in English language. I had fear to spell English speaking. I used to make a lot of spelling mistakes. After my 10th, I joined SS English Academy. Also, English is also important language for our higher education. When I started coming to class during lockdown, in just 1 month, I saw many changes in myself. For example, my style is changed, my confidence level is also changed, and third is most important, this is a change for my life.
Assalamu alaikum and very good evening. This is Sheikh Al Musaf. Today SS English Academy has completed 7 years. On the occasion of this great success, I want to share few words. SS English Academy guide a lots of students day by day. It's not only teach just English, it develop a personality, it motivates the student, it gives student presentation skills, confidence, etc., etc. It has improved myself to not only in speaking English but also in other except of personality. I saw to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to shower his blessing on us on this academy. May Allah make it beneficial to all learners. May Allah make it grant lot of success to SS English Academy. Thank you.
I am Ansari Arif, student of English Academy. Today we are celebrating 7th anniversary of English Academy. I am joined SS classes just before 1 month and improved my English and confidence. I like 2 classes. I like to Sam sir teaching style. I am proud to be the student of SS English Academy, and truly this is the best language classes in Bhiwandi. Thank you.